Now in this video we will going to take up one more problem on the development of lateral surfaces of solids. A cone of base diameter 60 mm and height 70 mm is resting on its base on HP. It is cut as shown in the following figure. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the remaining portion of the cone. So to do that, first we will go for the solid screen. So here by default we will going to have a A2 size sheet. I want to change it to A4. So to do that, so go to the sheet 1 on the lower left corner, go to the right click on the mouse button, click on sheet setup, come down to the background sheet which is A2, make it A4. I don't want to show background and I will say OK. Then I will going to fit to the screen. So before actually starting with the drawing, make sure that you are going to have endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled and all other options you make it disabled. Then I need to write the text. So to write the question, I will go for a text. So here I will going to select the font name as Times New Roman and the font size as 4 and enter. So here a cone of base diameter 60 mm. So I will say a cone of base diameter 60 mm and height 70 mm. 60 mm and height 70 mm is resting on its base on HP, is resting on its base on HP. It is cut as shown in the following figure. It is cut as shown in the following figure. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the remaining portion of the cone. Right click, then you go to move command. Go to move command, select this and move it wherever you want. Now you go for zoom window. Okay. Then you go to line, select this, make it 0.05. Okay. Draw one horizontal line of any length and similarly draw one vertical line of any length. So here he says that 60 mm diameter, so obviously you should have offset. Take the distance as 30, select this on this side and you select it on this side and take the height as 70. So you select this and go to trim these 4. Okay, then you go to line, take endpoint to this intersection, to this endpoint, then you delete this line and you delete this line and delete this line and go to trim this portion. Now you take offset is 35, so you take the offset distance as 35. So you select this and you take it and go to trim this portion. Okay, and this is how you will going to get the initial push. Now you go to the line command. Now you go to split this line till here. Okay, now you go to extend to next, then you go to split this line till here. Okay, now you go to sketch by holding the shift key, you select this. Okay, this you want to make it 150. So now you go to move command, select this entire drawing and move it here. Now you go to format, modify, general, make these 4 black, go to text, take Times New Roman, then you take font size is 3, then go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1 and say OK and apply. Now you go to distance between, go to this, take the diameter symbol and say OK. Select between these two, you are going to get diameter 16. Then you go to this, make it clear and say OK. Now you go to distance between, select this and you select this, make it horizontal or vertical, which is 70. Then again between these two you take it and you make it 35. So once you do that, now this is over. Now I need to name them. So you need not have to go for the top view, it is not required as such. So here I will say go to this and you make this as O dash. Here it is A dash. Then it is B dash. Then you have C dash. Then you have D dash here. Once you do that, then go to zoom window, go to move, okay, select this A dash, then B dash, then D dash, then C dash. Now here you take text, you take this as 1 dash, then 2 dash, then O dash is there, then you take 3 dash and bracket. Okay. Now you go to move, select this, then go to 2 dash, then 3 dash and 4 dash. Okay. Now you go to fit. Now you go to select by holding the shift key. You take it down. Okay. Now you go to this figure and make it 141.81 degrees. That is the one which you want. So I want to take this as 76.16. So I need to go to distance between, select the end point of this to end point of this, which is 76.16. That is the one. Yes. Then you have 38.08. Then go to distance between, select this point and you select this point. So you are going to get 38.08. Now you go to line command, draw one horizontal line of any length. Then you take the angle which is 141.8 degrees. Then go to format, modify, lines and text. Then you go to units. Here angular degrees is up to second decimal point. Okay, and say OK and apply. So go to line command and draw a line and take it around 100 mm. Angle is 141.81. 141.81 degrees. Okay. Then you go to circle, take this radius 76.16. Okay. Then you go to trim this and this. Now you divide this circle into 4 equal points. So you just go to rotate, enable copy, you select this, take end point. So what is the rotation angle? 141.81 by 4. 141.81 divided by 4. 35.45. Position angle is 0. Then the step angle is 35.45. Okay. Now you keep 1, then you take 2, then you have 3. Now I need to name them. So to do that, I will go for the text. So here I will type capital letter A, then you will have B, then you will have C, then you will have D, then you will have A, and this as O. Now you go to move, take A, take D, take C, take B, and take A. Now I need to, so this dimension is over. Now I want to go for this. So you go to circle, or will have the true length automatically. Then you will have to have radius 38.08. Okay. Now you have trim this portion. Now you have 1. Okay. Go to text. You type 1. Okay. Then 2 is on BD. 2 is on BD. Then it comes to O. Then it goes to this. 3 is on D. Then 3 is on D and 1 is here. Now you go to zoom window. Now you go to split this line till here. Then you have split this line till here, split this line till here, and then split this line till here. Now you have trim these two portions like this. Now you can write. So go to select by holding the shift key. Select this, select this, select this, select this, select this, and select this. Make it 0.5. Okay. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using this. So now I need to go for writing this as the development. Then I have the move command, move this, then come down to 2, then you have 3, then come down to 1, then you have development, then you go to distance between, select these two, which is 38.08, then between these two you will go to get it as 76.18, 16, then go to angle between these two, so 141.81 degrees. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. So of course you should have theta is equal to r, small r by r into capital 360, small r by capital R into 360. What is the small r? Small r is the radius of the base circle, which is 30, because the base circle has got 60 mm diameter, divided by the true length of the slant radius. This is the capital R, that is 76.16 into 360. When you calculate it, you will going to get 141.81 degrees. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using the SolidEd software. Thank you.